This video demonstrates how to wirelessly connect a LS7P monitor to an Arri Mini via Wi-Fi. Before establishing the connection, certain settings need to be configured on the camera. Open the menu, select System, then choose Networked Wi-Fi. Change the Wi-Fi mode to Hosting. Select Wi-Fi host password to set a custom network password, and save the settings once completed. Next, perform the connection steps on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, click on the camera, select Wi-Fi, and turn it on. Select Add New Device, choose the camera device. Enter the correct password, and click OK. The connection is successful once the control panel appears. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Shutter to adjust the camera shutter angle. Click FPS to change the shooting frame rate. Click Log to switch log styles. Click EI to adjust the exposure index. Click White Balance to switch white balance modes. Click CT to adjust the color temperature. Click Encoder to change the encoder type. Click Resolution to change the recording resolution. That concludes the tutorial on wirelessly connecting a LS7P monitor to an Arri Mini via Wi-Fi.